Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's start by lightly sketching the car's basic silhouette. Think about its low, wide stance and those iconic sharp angles. Using simple geometric shapes like rectangles and trapezoids will help you establish the correct proportions for the body and wheels. Don't press too hard. These are just guidelines to get us going. Now, let's refine those initial lines and start adding some of the Gallardo's key features. Pay close attention to the aggressive air intakes on the sides and front. Next, carefully draw the wheels and tires, making sure they are perfectly circular and aligned. Then, sketch in the distinctive shapes of the headlights and taillights, capturing their sharp, angular design. With the main features in place, it's time to bring your drawing to life with shading. Use varying degrees of pressure to create shadows and highlights, giving your Gallardo a three-dimensional look. Define the sharp edges and contours with darker, more confident lines. Finally, carefully erase any remaining guidelines to ensure your drawing is clean and polished, ready for the next step. For the final touches, enhance smaller details such as the windows, side mirrors, and the iconic exhaust pipes. You might also consider adding a simple background, like a road or a scenic view, to give your Lamborghini Gallardo drawing more context and visual interest. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different angles and details. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.